How to change your birthday on Roblox if you're under 13. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your birthday on Roblox if you are under 13 years of age. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to change your birthday on Roblox, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open the Roblox application. Then what you need to do is just tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots icon from the bottom right, you want to scroll and then look for the option called settings. Once you go to settings, at the very top you'll find an option called account info. Tap on account info, and when you go to the option called account info over here, you're going to see this type of interface where you'll find an option called birthday. So all you need to do is just go ahead and make sure to actually enter your birthday. Now, one thing you have to understand is that in order to verify your age, you need to be over at least 13 years of age, because if you're not over 13 years of age, you will not be able to verify it. You need a valid document, you need a legal authorized government issued ID with your picture in it in order to verify your age on Roblox. So hope this video helped you understand a question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.